I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Kia Optima's exterior door handle, step by step. First, let's get organized. You'll need a few basic tools, like a 10mm nut driver and a prying tool. Make sure you have your new door handle ready, specifically designed for your vehicle. Always ensure your car is safely parked and the ignition is completely off before starting any work. Now, let's begin by removing the lock cylinder cover. Look for a small hole located underneath the door handle. Carefully insert a metal key or a small prying tool into this hole. Gently push upwards to release the cover, then remove it. This action exposes the retaining bolt that holds the door handle in place, allowing us to proceed with the next step. With the lock cylinder cover off, grab your 10mm nut driver. Use it to loosen the bolt now visible inside the opening. Once loosened, pull the door handle outward slightly, then slide it backward to fully release it from its mounting. Be sure to carefully disconnect any electrical wires or linkage rods attached to the handle before completely removing the old, damaged unit. Now, let's install your new door handle. First, carefully connect any electrical wires and linkage rods to the new assembly. Slide the new handle into its designated position, then push it forward until it securely locks into place. Tighten the 10mm bolt to firmly secure the handle. Finally, reattach the lock cylinder cover and thoroughly test the new handle's smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.